You can easily amend users' details such as their name, email address, phone number, product access, user role, and resetting the password in LexisNexis Account Center under the Users tab. To find the user's details, you can search for them or use the alphabetical list to scroll down the list of users. The default setting is to show active users. If they have already been suspended or deleted, click on the More Filter button and select the appropriate status tick box to show them. When you have found the user details you want to change, click on their name on the left-hand side. You can change the status of a user to suspended or deleted. We recommend that you suspend users if they go on parental leave or secondment rather than deleting them, so that you can easily reactivate them when they return. If a user leaves your organization and is not likely to return, change the status to deleted. You can choose for this status change to occur now, or you can select a date in the future to schedule it for. Most users' role will be end users, giving them only access to Lexis Advanced Research. Admin users have permissions to add, amend, or delete users and view invoicing information. You can make a user an admin by selecting the role drop-down. A user can reset their own password from the Lexis Advanced login page by clicking on the Forgot Password link. Admins can also reset it for them. Click on the Password Reset button to send an email to the user to reset it. Click the Edit icon to amend the user's name, email address, and other details. Only the user can change their user ID by updating their sign-in profile from the More button in the top right-hand corner of Lexis Advance. The Product Access sub-tab allows you to manage what products a user can access. The default is to enable access to all subscribed Lexis Advance content for all users.